Hello everyone and welcome back to Health with Precision. Today, we're diving deep into the world of vitamins and minerals. These are the tiny powerhouses behind your energy, mood, immunity, and organ function. You might eat enough carbohydrate, protein, or fat, but still feel low in energy or unfocused. That's because your body is missing essential micronutrients. Let's explore why this matters, how millions are silently deficient, and how to get these nutrients from real food, and when to consider supplements. Let's begin with why this matters right now. More than half of the global population is not getting enough calcium, iron, vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, riboflavin, or zinc. Deficiency rates exceed 50% for many of these vital nutrients. In people with type 2 diabetes, incidences are even higher. About 60% have vitamin D deficiency, 42% are low in magnesium, and 29% lack vitamin B12. This is part of a phenomenon experts call hidden hunger, enough calories but not enough of what the body really needs. Vitamins and minerals come bundled with real food, so let's connect them to protein, carb, or fat sources. From protein-rich foods like eggs, meat, dairy, fish, and legumes. These deliver most of your B-complex vitamins and iron. B-complex vitamins are crucial for converting food into energy-supporting nerves and forming red blood cells. If you're fatigued, depressed, or have brain fog, you could lack a B vitamin. Main food sources include eggs, chicken, liver, sardines, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals. If supplementing, look for methylcobalamin for B12, P5P for B6, and methylfolate for better absorption, especially if you have kidney or heart concerns. Iron from red meat, chicken thighs, spinach, and pumpkin seeds helps oxygen to travel throughout your body. Iron deficiency affects around 8.8% of people worldwide, causing weakness, hair loss, and brain fog. Eat iron-rich foods with vitamin C from citrus peppers or broccoli to improve absorption. Whole plant carbs like oats, rice, beans, bananas, berries, peppers. These include magnesium, vitamin C, and potassium. Magnesium is needed for sleep, nerve function, muscle control, and blood pressure regulation. Nearly half of adults in surveys get less than their daily need for magnesium. Foods rich in magnesium include spinach, nuts, seeds, beans, avocado, and dark chocolate. Supplement forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate are gentler on digestion. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant essential for immunity, collagen formation, and iron absorption. You'll find it in guava, bell peppers, oranges, kiwi, and broccoli. Globally, its intake is low across age groups, especially among adults aged 20 to 59. Potassium supports fluid balance, heart rhythm, and muscle contraction. Good sources are bananas, beans, lentils, potatoes, leafy greens, and coconut water. Potassium citrate supplements are easier on the stomach if needed. Healthy fats, dairy, and oily fish are linked to fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Vitamin D helps absorb calcium, support bones immunity, and brain function. Over 60% of people with type 2 diabetes have low vitamin D levels. Food sources include salmon, mackerel, egg yolks, fortified milk, and mushrooms. Choose D3 supplements, ideally paired with K2 for calcium regulation. Vitamin A supports vision and immune function. You'll find retinol in liver, butter, eggs, and beta-carotene in carrots, sweet potatoes, and squash. Vitamin E protects cells and supports immunity. Sources include almonds, sunflower seeds, avocados, and spinach. Look for natural D-alpha tocopherol rather than synthetic forms. Vitamin K2 supports blood clotting, bone and heart health. Eat leafy greens like broccoli, natto, or sauerkraut. There are also water-soluble minerals essential for daily health. Zinc supports immunity, healing, DNA repair, and testosterone. Up to 2 billion people worldwide are zinc deficient. Good sources are beef, shellfish, chickpeas, nuts, and seeds. Use zinc picolinate or citrate when supplementing. Calcium is vital for bones, muscle movement, and heart rhythm. Dairy, tofu, almonds, and leafy greens are the best food sources. If using a supplement, choose calcium citrate, which absorbs better. Low vitamin D levels, especially in chronic kidney disease, make calcium absorption harder. Selenium is a powerful mineral and antioxidant for thyroid and cell protection. Just 2 Brazil nuts a day provide enough selenium for most adults. It's also found in tuna, whole grains, and sunflower seeds. Now, who should test and consider supplementation? Pay attention to symptoms like fatigue, joint stiffness, muscle cramps, brain fog, skin changes, or slow wound healing. And also adults with diabetes, women of reproductive age, people on restrictive diets like keto or Mediterranean diet, people with poor kidney or liver function are at high risk for deficiencies. Always start with a blood test before supplementing. And remember, fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K can accumulate in high doses and cause toxicity. Stick to food first plan and then supplement under medical advice. Daily Nutrient Guide for Adults. For vitamin C, aim for 75 to 90 milligrams a day, vitamin D around 600 to 800 international units, folate about 400 micrograms, vitamin B12 2.4 micrograms, magnesium 310 to 420 milligrams, zinc 8 to 11 milligrams. Iron depends on gender, ranging from 8 up to 18 milligrams. Calcium needs vary, but about 1,000 to 1,200 milligrams per day. Use these as a baseline and talk to a healthcare provider to tailor for your condition. Why this matters, especially if you have kidney disease or risk factors. Kidneys activate vitamin D, support calcium levels, and help recycle B and C vitamins. Nutrition restrictions and medication can lower your levels faster than you realize. Micronutrients help control inflammation, support energy, make blood sugar stable, support digestion, and play a role in liver detoxification. If you feel off or stagnant, start by choosing real unprocessed foods. Work with a professional for targeted testing and nutrient-structured meal planning. In our next video, I will guide you through a chronologically structured weekly meal plan for kidney and metabolic support. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health deep dives. And drop questions below if any come to mind. Take care, stay healthy. Goodbye.